Hello, tech enthusiasts and future billionaires. Today, we're going to hustle to the energetic beat of artificial intelligence. Question on the dance floor. How can an ordinary person with no specific skills and no investment make money with AI? First things first, let's bust a myth. You don't need to be a techno wizard or have a golden goose to benefit from AI. It's like learning the Macarena. Anyone can join in. All right, let's tango with the first step, education. There are tons of free resources online where you can learn about AI. No, you don't need to code an AI like you're in the Matrix. Just understand its basics and its potential. After all, you can't lead in a dance without knowing the steps. Once you've got the rhythm, it's time to boogie to the next step, freelancing. Sites like Upwork and Freelancer are teeming with AI-related gigs. From writing about AI to helping companies gather data for AI systems, there's something for everyone. Next, let's salsa with the idea of creating AI-based content. You could start a blog, YouTube channel, or a podcast focused on AI. As your audience grows, so do your opportunities to earn through ads, sponsorships, and even donations. And finally, groove with AI applications. Use AI tools like logo makers for a graphic design hustle or transcription services for a data entry gig. The possibilities are as varied as the dance styles at a world dance competition. Remember, folks, you don't need to be an AI expert or have big bucks to make money with AI. Learn, adapt, and hustle. That's your winning cha-cha-cha. Keep those dance shoes on, because the AI Dance Marathon is just getting started. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep dancing.